able to trace exactly which customers received which specific units is a must-have in many industries today. In Unleashed, it's super easy to be able to identify where certain batches have been and do a product recall. For this to work, you must have already turned on your batch tracking feature found in your company settings and have specified on your product record that you wish to track it at the batch level. Let's say we've just received a complaint from a customer saying a product we've sent them is faulty. We'd first need to go and find the batch number reference for the products they've received. To do this, we go to the sales order screen, filter by completed orders only, and search for the order number we want to find. Click on the order and then find the product we want to look at in detail. Then click on the green number under the batch number heading. This will show you the batch number or numbers we need to recall. Alternatively, they may have the batch reference visible on the label and be able to quote it to you to save time. Next, go to the batch number inquiry report. This report can be found by going to Reports, Inventory, Batch Numbers Inquiry. In this report, we can view the entire stock movement history of any batch number in Unleashed, see exactly where these batches have been used, and what suppliers or customers they are associated with. Enter the batch number we've just identified and want to look at in more detail. You also have the option to add filters if needed, such as by product or for certain batch expiry dates. When I click Run, it will find that specific batch number. In this view, you can see if you are still holding any of this stock in your own warehouse. In this example, I do not have any of these batches left in stock. I can then click on the number to get a detailed history of movement for this batch of products. Here, I can see the specific batch of my apricot jam was assembled, so I manufactured it and then shipped it out to 3 different customers. Unleashed also shows me the date that these movements were completed. If I had to do a product recall, I could get in touch with these specific customers and explain that the batch I sold to them on a certain date needed to be recalled. You can do this from the Unleashed screen or export this information to Excel by clicking the arrow next to Export and clicking Export Batch Information. This then gives you an Excel sheet to work from and store offline if necessary. Using the batch numbers inquiry in this way ensures you have full visibility over your batches and can always react quickly if you ever need to recall a batch tracked product. Thank you for watching.